Okay, we're going to make our waffles. We're going to make enough that we're going to freeze it and then use it for breakfast, so we can put it in the toaster or however you want to warm them up. Except the microwave, they get soggy. But here I got a tablespoon of sugar. I got a 1/4 teaspoon yeast. Add that to it. I got a 1/4 cup of hot water. That's gonna help activate the yeast. I don't have a small enough spoon, so I'll cheat. Stir this up, and I'll let this sit for a couple minutes. Okay, in here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add malted milk to it because it helps with the flavor, and that's 2/3 cup. So I have 3 cups of flour, 2/3 cup malt. Here I got boy, I'm gonna have to think how much sugar I have. I'll have the listings posted, but I'm gonna add my sugar. We'll stir all this up. Into this, I'm gonna add my milk as soon as it gets warm. I got regular milk, and I added buttermilk to it. And like I said, I'll list the quantities at the end. But we warm up the buttermilk to lukewarm, around 100 degrees, to the mixture. And this is an overnight waffle mix, so 8 hours before we're going to make it. So we're going to let it sit out. We'll cover it up and we'll let it rise. And then after 8 hours, then there's we add butter and some more ingredients to the mixture. But here comes my buttermilk milk mixture. So I add that to it. And this was like 3 1/4 cup. Then I'll stir this. Then I'll add my yeast sugar mixture and water. And it's going to be soupy. That's okay. And what's going to happen, it's going to bubble and it's going to rise a little bit. But you'll see that after 8 hours what it does. And we get it to this consistency, and it's going to sit and keep rising. It's a good waffle mix. So after 8 hours I'll get back, and I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and let it sit out for 8 hours, and then I'll get back to you and we'll finish with the milk and eggs, eggs and butter and the vanilla that goes to it, and show you how we finish putting it together. Okay, we got our waffle batter ready. It's been sitting for 8 hours. Now what we have left is 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 eggs. Some will separate them and whip up the egg whites to fluff it up, but I'm finding with this batter you don't have to. It's a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and then 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. So I'm going to add my eggs. Then I'm going to slowly add my butter. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Me, I like to stir things in as I add it. Then 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. Okay, that's our waffle mix. We're going to wait for our waffle machine to heat up, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Thank you. We've got our waffle iron heated up. Now we're going to put it in and cook our waffles. And I mean, some of you like the round waffle makers. Me, I like the square ones because I can make a batch and then break them up and then cook them in the toaster when they're done. But I'll give you a picture of what it looks like when it's done. Thank you. Okay, there's our waffles. I know some of them it has that brown ring in the middle. It's not the highest quality waffle iron, but they taste great. Thank you for watching.